Meaning of homosexuality.
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 Homosexuality. Homosexuality refers to the romantic and/or sexual attraction between individuals of the same gender. This means that a person who identifies as homosexual is typically attracted to people who share their gender identity. It is a natural variation in human sexuality, and it is not a choice or a mental disorder. Homosexuality is a normal and healthy expression of human sexuality, just like heterosexuality. However, LGBTQ+ individuals have historically faced discrimination and marginalization due to societal norms and prejudices. Accepting and supporting diverse sexual orientations is crucial for creating a more inclusive and equitable society.